Hey guys, I want to help identify all of your hardware package. There's nothing more frustrating than trying to build something and not have all the parts. A lot of times you'll lose these little guys on the carpet and you'll think it never came in your kit. So I want to inventory everything from the beginning and help you identify what this is. A lot of you guys have built these before, so you know exactly what this stuff is. But this video is more geared towards somebody that hasn't built one of these planes before, and I'm going to help them identify the stuff. Okay, so let's start at the top here. There's some flat ribbon carbon fiber. These will be your spars and stiffeners for control surfaces. These long skinny carbon fiber rods, these are your control rods for your elevator and your rudder. You see the servos are more forward located on the plane, and we got to be able to control the elevator and the rudder, so they use a guide system. These plastic things are guides. There's different heights to keep the control rod straight, so there is a specific order in which they're installed front to back, and I'll show you that during the build. Now, to secure your control arms to your control horns, you're going to use these snap links. Okay, they just snap into the hole. These things break away from this mold, this big heavy piece. That's all gone. You'll just be using those little guys on the ends, and there's a little trough that lets the carbon fiber rod sit in it. Okay, just like this, and you'll glue that with some CA, rough it up with some sandpaper, your carbon fiber rod, hit it with some CA, and then cut a piece of this shrink tubing, just a small piece, you know, 1/8 of a quarter of an inch or so, and slip it over and shrink it down, and that holds the control arm tight to the snap link, and then the snap link pops into these control arms for the surface. You also have your aileron differential. There's two pieces of carbon fiber right here. Those are your aileron control arms, okay? And over here on the right hand side, you'll see these two pieces. Those are going to be for your landing gear, and this flat piece of carbon, that's designed to stiffen up your elevator. On your horizontal stabilizer, there's a slot already pre-cut. You're going to install that there. These silver blocks, these are the other end of the control arm, okay? These slip into your servo control horns and are the control arms, and this little spring, these little black things, they slip inside this pin, slips inside of them, and they kind of tension against it and hold that tight against the servo control arm. And then the carbon fiber slips through this in and out, and when you got your surface the way you want it, as far as adjustment, you just cinch down the screw. Okay, these little pieces here, I think these are doublers for the landing gear. I haven't built this model before, so I'll have to learn what that is. And this little rectangle piece, I'm not sure what that is. I haven't used that one before, but again, we'll figure it out. So that's your hardware package. If you guys got any questions, be sure to ask them in the forum or right here in the video on YouTube. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.